Welcome to Suntop. We're excited to introduce our precision fiber laser cutting machine, a powerful tool designed for high-precision metal cutting in various industries. Our laser cutting machines come in three models: STFC 6060, STFC 1390, and STFC 2010. They offer laser power options ranging from 1000 watts to 4000 watts. Whether you need to cut small parts or large sheets of metal, these machines provide the flexibility and precision you need for excellent results. First, let's talk about the fully enclosed design. It has a green glass cover window that filters the laser beam, offering protection and meeting European safety standards. Next, the machine is equipped with the famous Raytools laser cutting head from Switzerland. This head comes with an autofocus system that keeps a consistent distance between the laser and the metal sheet, ensuring precise and consistent cutting every time. The machine also uses high-quality imported fiber lasers, known for their stability and long lifespan. These lasers can work for up to 100,000 hours, so you can rely on them for the long run. We've also included a red light indication system and a pre-running function. This feature helps to find the exact cutting position, making sure your cuts are always accurate. Maintenance is a breeze with the automatic oil filling function. Every 2 months, you just press the oil filling switch, and the machine automatically lubricates itself, saving you time and effort. The machine is also energy efficient. Its photoelectric conversion rate can reach up to 30%, consuming much less power compared to traditional carbon dioxide laser cutting machines. Finally, the machine is very easy to operate. The user-friendly software allows you to design and process graphics or text in real time, making it suitable for both experienced operators and newcomers. If you are looking for precise, efficient, and reliable metal cutting, choose the Suntop Precision Fiber Laser Cutting Machine. Visit our website at suntoplaser.com to learn more about how this powerful tool can help your business.